Hey y'all, it's your girl Shaaleese here. So as you can see, I made this cute little crib for my dogs. So if you want to see how I did it, just stay tuned. So I literally was driving home and I saw this crib at the dumpster and I was like, oh my gosh, that is so cute. So as I was trying to put it in my car, my neighbor was driving by. And he helped me. He literally walked all the way to my apartment. And I was like, oh my God, thank you. So I went to Ross. And I looked at all these cute little pillows. And I ended up getting the one that was originally in my hand. And while I was there, I saw these cute little outfits. So I was like, okay, I'm going to get this for Pookie and Coco. And I'm going to get their pillow and everything. You know, when I go in Ross, I go a little crazy.
All right, so the mission is complete. I got everything. Well, yeah, everything that I needed for their bed. So we're gonna take this home and set it up. I also wanted to show y'all my unnecessary purchase. These wind chimes. They're so pretty, like so pretty. And they were on sale, so yeah. Can't wait to put this up on my balcony.
So this was me just driving back on my way home, driving through downtown South Carolina, and I think to the left of me is the new law school, University of South Carolina School of Law. Put some respect on it. So that was next to me, and like I said, I was just driving downtown, just kind of enjoying my drive. I thought this would be kind of like scenic for y'all. I don't know. And this is the state house next to me, South Carolina State House, home of the Confederate flag. Let me stop. They took it down. But yeah, so that was my drive back home. And this is what I came home to. Coco in the crib.
So this is what they originally had. It's lit. I mean, it's thrown right here because I just took it off the little crib thing. But yeah, so they just had a comforter, a blanket, and this pillow. Now it's usually in like a really cute setup type of way, but like I said, I just pulled it from that. So I just threw it right here. So Coco is already loving her new pad. Y'all thought that was a wet spot. It's just a shadow, thank God. Yeah, so I got this pad because it's kind of easier to clean, like just in case you like pee on it or anything. And then I got this new pillow. Say hey, mama. What you got on your nose? Hey, mama. What you doing? Hey. They're excited. So yeah, so I'm gonna see about placement. Now, their stuff is usually right here, so I might. Sorry, I did grocery shopping and everything today. Right after I got out of the gym. So I'm thinking either right here, but it's a little bit too big to put right there. Then of course you see I thought about putting right here, but their cage is right here. So I'm thinking putting it in this corner, or let's go to my room. Or I just did my bed and everything too. And then this is, I forgot what I was about to say, y'all. I'm cleaning up. Anyway, either right here, but it's probably not that big enough of a space right there. Or I'll have to try to figure out something over here. So we'll see. But for now, I honestly think I'm gonna end up putting it right here, y'all. Because it's easier. They'll be right next to me. And yeah. Yeah, that looks like the plan. But I'm gonna get it like fixed and everything for y'all out here. So yeah, for right now, it's gonna just stay right there until I move it to the next spot. Coco.
So to clean the crib and disinfect it, I used my infused bottle that I got from Target. It was a eucalyptus and mint one. And I went back afterwards and went with Lysol, the Lysol disinfectant spray all over the crib.
You in the video, say hey.
Oh, good. What is this?
This is their crib. should I put it in my room? Should I put it in this corner? On this? This was literally at the dump.
Oh, it's at the dump?
Yes, that's why I got it. You need to wash them.
What do you wash them for? Pesticides?
Yeah. I must just want to spend money. That's why I got it, because I ain't had to spend shit. So the mat is water resistant.
Ain't gonna fit.
And it can fit in any standard size crate. This is not a crate, but this is the perfect size. Like, look, well, okay, it's a little bit big, but oh no, it's perfect.
Yeah, it's not flush with the corners.
Oh my god. Please ignore him. Oh my god.
He don't like it.
Pookie don't sleep in it. I know that. When I came in, Coco was laying on it. $18 at Ross. And I think this was $18 too. Oh, this was $19. Wait! Get down.
Coco like it.
Get down.
Step.
All right, so I have to wash. I don't know if y'all can see me. Can I sit on this? Is it gonna break? So I have to wash their blanket and, well, no, they're gonna have a different blanket because they don't need the comforter really no more. I'm probably gonna leave the comforter and the small pillow out here and then find a place to put this. And they're gonna have this gray blanket because it's aesthetic. Exactly, that's what you get. So leave her alone.
Man, no. Man, don't.
This is gonna be the blanket that's gonna go in there with them. Look at how cute, y'all.
It smells.
What smells? You think this is too big to put right there, baby? I mean, I had it there and it was like borderline. I think this shit is too big. It's too big?
Like, I see what you're saying, but
It's too big.
it is. Have you seen my...
You think maybe right here?
Have you seen mine?
No. Ow!
Well, I need to look at that.
You think right there would be okay?
Likely gonna be in there too. You ain't. No, they gonna be like right there.
Yeah. Well, the only other spot is in my room. Renee said the braiding room for the time being.
I was thinking that.
I'm just worried about them being in there. Okay, so it's gonna go into the braiding room, into this little corner that is actually literally a perfect corner for it. So whenever I have guests, aka my mom and my dad, they're just gonna have to deal with it. So I'm gonna put it into the braiding room and then I'll show y'all what it looks like in there. Bye!
What are you doing, recording?
Yeah. Don't be like that.
Hey guys, I'm putting the crib in the room.
Okay. I think it's a great fit. Wait, how do you put this down? Yeah, that's this. Okay, this is the perfect spot for it. We just need to center it a little bit more. Can you get up? Can you get up?
What are you about to do?
I'm about to center it and put it all the way up against the wall.
Well, the dog is having a great time.
Well, they can have a great time after I do this 2 little second thing. Go. I'm not gonna be like, are you kidding me right now?
I'm just saying what?
Honestly, that's all they need. Like, do they even need a pillow?
No.
Pookie, what you looking at? Come here. Do you like it? Pookie likes it. If he can get right. Come on, go. Come on. Oh, y'all saw that, huh? All right, so this is gonna be their bed, y'all. I might get some like extra stuff. Pookie tears up all the toys, so they don't really have any toys right now. But when I get toys, like I'm gonna put that on here. And his foot is caught. That's why he looking uncomfortable like that. So yeah, so I'm gonna put that on here. And yeah, that's really it. I mean, I might eventually get them some. I might eventually get them some other stuff. Just because that's just me. I hope y'all can see me. Like, I hope my head isn't cut off. But yeah, Coco likes stuff like this. Pookie like to be wherever I'm at, so we're gonna try it out tonight. Hopefully they do sleep in here. I'm just worried about them like making a mess in here or something, because sometimes when this door is open, like they'll come in here and like pee or poop or something. And I'm like, what are y'all doing? Like, y'all go out and then like I don't take y'all outside. I understand if you gotta go, you gotta go. But almost every time I leave this door open at night, they come in here and do something. Pee, poop, throw up, something. So we're gonna try it out tonight. Hopefully everything goes good. But yeah. So yeah, this is a really quick video. Like I said, I got everything from Ross. Got this from the dumpster, literally from the dumpster. So I didn't have to pay for nothing except the pillows, y'all. She gonna check on Q because that's clearly her boyfriend and not mine. But yeah, so that's it.
So here is the final look, their little pillow with their little blanket, and this is them in it, my little cuties.
Like, how do you really want to spend the next 4 years?
Right.
Yes, exactly. And or on that side.
Yeah.
You know, one of the things that was really interesting was the one woman who spoke, I think maybe first, who said, you know, I kind of like some of the things he says, but I just don't like the way he behaves.
Coco.
And that means I probably can't vote for him. That is going to be the story in some ways of this election. And, you know,
It's been the story of the last 4 years.
And women have moved away from him and the Republican Party in big numbers. And what's really interesting is watching women without a college degree who voted for him by 23 points in 2016, and that was a major thing for him.
Let's see if they slept in the bed. Oh my gosh. Get down. Come on.
Well, as you can see, they're in my bed. So, Kogi. Coco.
Well, I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and hopefully you make something cute for your fur babies. Always, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.